The food itself, as you can see right here, they got samples. Just they're standing behind their products, and that's what you want with a business, to be able to stand behind your product and show you believe in your stuff. Go ahead, check it out. Right here we at the last truck, right? A lot of you see tacos, you see kebabs, a lot of great food, right? And the branding is really nice, right? So that's what it's all about, right? Solid branding. This is how you want to put everything together. So we're gonna do, right? Got my videographer, right? My daughter. Make sure she's good. Make sure her lunch is taken care of. See some nice trucks. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure she has her lunch. So we're gonna go ahead and break for that, and then we're gonna go ahead and check out the businesses. So just keep that in mind when it plays. It's elite. All right, Winning Plays every day. Right here, we have Eternity Love back with the asada tacos right here from this food truck right at the Taco Festival, Palmdale, California. She getting ready to enjoy this. She already did one of the taste tests. How was it? How's the taco taste?
It's really good.
So here's the thing. We're gonna make it a little bit difficult for you. We want you to pick one. What you like better, the asada, or do you like the what is it called? The chicken. What you like better? You like the asada better? Why you like the asada better? Tell me.
It tastes better.
What? So let's go ahead and enjoy that. We're gonna put you in the shade so you can really get to enjoy the taste, the flavors, and all that. Taco Festival. How you liking the Taco Festival so far?
Good.
You looking forward to coming next year?
Yeah.
Looking forward to telling all your friends about it?
Yeah.
All right, this is one of your first events of the summer 2022.
Yeah.
You're gonna go ahead and enjoy amazing food like this. You always gonna make winning plays every day, right? You value your mind, say you're doing the right things, right? Winning plays, winning plays. Let them know which one you want. Tell them. All right, so yeah. All right, she got the horchata, right? The top on there.
Number 27, number 27, order number 23, number 23, order number 24.
Just one? Just
Yeah.
one?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be 6.
All right, so got the horchata, right? That's what you want, all right?
Thank you guys.
All right, appreciate
Have a
you.
good one, okay?
You too. All right. So how's it been going today?
It's been good, man. It's been good. Good turnout. We had our other trucks here too also, so it's kind of nice for all the trucks to come together.
For sure.
Yeah, we always enjoy it. It's a good environment. We enjoy the animals.
How long have you guys been doing this?
So we've been in business for about it's going on 7 years now.
Wow.
Going on 7 years. We started off as a catering company. We got a taco truck afterwards, and little by little we started building, different taco trucks or different food trucks, I should say. So now we're down to we have 4 food trucks and the restaurant in Little Rock as well.
Okay.
So we're trying to expand, trying to have a nice variety.
If you could give one tip to businesses that want to get into the taco truck type business, what would you tell them?
I would definitely, it sounds cliche, but definitely don't give up. There was times where we're making $40 a night, and it's definitely discouraging sometimes, but I definitely do think that people should definitely keep going, especially if they feel like they have a good product. Definitely keep pushing. Eventually you'll find your break, and you'll end up at an event like this.
For sure. Well, hey, you have great branding on your truck. Let's see. So how does it taste? Let us know. Good. Give us a number out of 10. 10? What? There we go. So she gives it a 10 out of 10. They're right here standing by their products. Great quality. Have the ice, all the branding. So really appreciate them, and keep doing what they're doing. All right, winning plays every day. It's elite. Champions Playbook right here. We're at Bomb Fish Tacos. She had her 10 out of 10. While she's drinking, she can't really film the way we need her to, so she'll go ahead and take care of that. Which is, you taking care of that, huh? Okay. So right here, we're gonna go ahead and enjoy. We're gonna get right. All right, they're doing their thing right here. We're gonna make sure that we flourish with them. So we're gonna take advantage. Take advantage of this win and play. Give you guys that taste test y'all looking for. Make sure it's right. When it plays, when it plays. All right, when it plays every day, right here we got the bomb fish taco. Let me tell y'all, they're not lying. It's the bomb. Got the drink, agua fresca. We got that bomb fish taco, right? Owners of that business, they're very passionate about their clients, about their business. They love what they do. So special to love what you do, to be passionate about it, and to build. So we definitely want them to continue doing what they're doing. Make it special. Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champions Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.